Alright, so this here is our packaging. It's a styrofoam case which showcases an eagle on the front with a remote control. How exciting! A little zipper here on the bottom. That's our battery port. Our remote, left, right to go and turn it. You have up and down to go ahead and increase the elevation or decrease the elevation. You have a return to starting mode. You have a landing mode, and you have a circle mode, and then you have a audio mode. So this thing does make noise too. This is our extra battery. Comes with a nifty looking charger. We have a screwdriver, and look at this. You do see 2 micro servos. Whoa. It's like a kite. So very interesting design. So let's go ahead and move on to the workshop and build this bad boy. All right, so the first thing we have to do is install the wings. So unscrew the 3 screws on the eagle bird body. So 3 screws, 3 screws, 3 screws. Where's the 3 screws? And then just turn it on like this.
Remote control connected successfully.
Oh, look at that! So you can turn it. You can see the servos moving. And I think you just click this button here and it should start flapping. What the heck? Oh, this is so scary. Try this again. Okay. Click it once. Oh my god! And that's a landing. It makes eagle sounds. All right, so now that we have it ready to go, let's take it outside and see what it could do. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. We're outside here in the wilderness. Literally. So we're actually gonna fly this over here and hopefully this works out. You do need a big space to fly just because it might just kind of crash into trees. So let's see. All right, if you click this here, it should start flapping. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, I think I gotta put it in my right hand. You gotta throw it. That's how you start it. Go! Fly! Oh, look at that. That thing was so cool. So I can bring it up higher by pushing the analog toggle up. That's the maximum altitude. I can bring it down. No, go fly up. There you go. Good boy. This thing is so cool. Let me bring it down lower and see what happens. Ah! Oh no! All right, birdie. Go! No! Go down! You can't stop it. Ah. I got it! Ah. Okay, buddy. It's okay. Stop! Yay. It's alive. It's okay. Go! Well, let's bring it back before it goes too far. So I'm turning it left.
10 meters equals 33 feet.
So it's flying 10 meters right now.
Flight altitude 5 meters equals 60. Flight altitude 10 meters equals.
I can bring it down. Let's see how low it can get.
Flight altitude 5 meters equals 16 feet.
And that's how you land it. So kind of gives you an idea what it's about. Overall, it's a lot of fun. Make sure you have a nice big field when you do fly it. And yeah, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.